In this video, we are going to repair an electric kettle. The symptoms that there is no power, and when I check the wires, there's no cut in the wire. So the obvious defect would be on the thermostat. I opened the thermostat and there are burned spots, and so it's so tiny, so it's hard to fix the thermostat. So our remedy would be to replace the whole thermostat. So I buy a thermostat and will replace the one in the electric kettle. Okay, so let's remove the cover and the switch, and then let's put the thermostat, and we will connect it with the filament, which is the heating element inside the thermostat. So be careful when putting the element and the thermostat. There is a gasket there, and make sure that the gasket is tight, because if it is not tight enough, the water would leak, and when it leak, it might get shorten the thermostat, and it might electrocute you or create some fire. So make sure that the gasket is tight. You can do it by screwing slowly the three screws in the thermostat. Don't tight one ahead of the other, so you have to do it slowly, gradually, increasing the tightness of all three screws at the same time. And then make sure also that you're able to center it properly, so that the lever would be in direct contact with the switch, which we will connect later on. Because it's all mechanical, there's a slot there wherein it will act like a seesaw, and then it will be the one who creates actions of turning on and off. So when you press the on button, it will press a small pin there that would give power to the whole system. And then when it's boiling, there's a metal sensor there that would flip and then touch the pin, and the pin will likewise also turn off the power switch. After connecting the thermostat, place the lid in the lid holder, so that uh, it will serve as the indicator when the system is on and off. So be careful that it will not be a hindrance when you place the thermostat on the base. So make sure that the wire is properly uh, aligned. And then we put the cover and also the switch. So make sure that the switch will be in direct slot with the lever for the on and off action. And then after that, we cover it with screw. There are two screws at the bottom, and then there are also two screws at the top. So tighten it also slowly, just like what we did with the thermostat, tightening it gradually at the same time, so that it will be a balanced tightness, and it will not create a loose thread. Okay, let's test if we have fixed the electric kettle. So let's put some water. Then let's boil it. Then turn it on. So the light has already turned on. Let's wait for it to boil. Let's increase the speed of the video because the boiling of 1 mug of water takes around 3 minutes, and once the water fully boils, there is a metal plate inside the thermostat that will expand, and it will push a pin, and the pin would push the lever, and the lever would lift the switch off, and also at the same time turns off the power on the system. And the light indicator also turn off. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.